This tutorial is how to set scale of drawings in CAD. We have here three commonly used paper sizes: A4, A3, and 24 by 36. A4 and A3, which is commonly used for shop drawings, detailed drawings, and for interior drawings. And this is what we use when the status of drawings is still for checking and review. 24 by 36 is basically for architectural and engineering construction drawings, which we need to submit to authorities for approval. Every drawings that you will do should be drawn in 1:1 ratio. So you have here our paper sizes. These are drawn in millimeter with a 1:1 ratio. And also on the model space, these drawings should be drawn in 1:1. So we have here 100 millimeter, which is equivalent to 4-inch thick wall. To start off setting the scales, on your layout tab, you should have your paper ready, which we have here on our paper sizes. There are two processes that we're going to do. First off is making your drawings in model space visible in your paper. Then set the drawing with the scale that are commonly used for that drawing. To make your drawings in model space visible on our paper, the command is MV for MView. This will create a viewport, making your drawings in model space visible. So let's try this. Let's say this is still for checking. Let's zoom it first to its maximum visibility in our paper. Before we set our scale, let's put a dimension first on our drawing. To edit our drawings on model space, simply double click and then to put a dimension, DLI command. So we know now that our drawing is 12,578 millimeter and our paper space is 297 millimeter. To know the scale that you're going to use, simply divide 12,578 to our paper size. So 42. So the closest scale we're going to use is 1:50. So let's try. Double click on model space. Z for zoom. Enter. For 1:50 scale, this is what we're going to type in. 1/50 XP. Enter. So there. That is the 1:50 scale. Control 1 for your properties. So let's lock in the display. Lock the display. so that whatever you do, the scale won't be affected. So let's try another drawing, this time on our A3 size paper. So MV, to make your drawings on model space visible, let's try this detailed drawing of a wall plan. Command PS to go back to paper space. We have here a dimension of 50. So we know that this dimension is 297. So let's try again. 297 divided by 50, 5.94. Let's try 1:10. Okay, let's try 1:5. 5 XP. There. Let's try 1:1. But this usually works already, 1:5. Let's just try 1:1 and see what it looks like. 1/1 XP. This will maximize the use of the paper. There. So we see that this won't work because we still need to put our dimensions and callouts. So let's scratch 1:1 and stick with our 1:5. Again, make it a habit to lock in the display. If you won't lock it, there. So let's put in the scale again and lock the display. So for our last paper, which is 24 by 36, type in MV for viewport. Let's try this one here. This is an image. We have a tutorial of this, how to insert image in CAD. You might want to check that one out. So let's see. This is a 26-meter dimension. To convert this to millimeter, just multiply it to 1000. So this is a 26,000 millimeter dimension drawing. So 26,000 divided by 914, 28. This could be 1:30, but I think we need to use 1:50. Let's see. There. Because using 1:30 will maximize this layout space. We still need our title box here and some margins. So 1:50 should work. Lock this in. we have a second floor there. So just copy this. There. That's it.